Hello everyone. In this short video we're going to show you how to access your CAMJam self-training materials. First off, in order to get access to CAMJam, you need to be active on your MecSoft annual maintenance. We refer to this as AMS. So as long as you're update on your annual maintenance, then you can access your CAMJam training materials. So the first thing you need to do is open your default web browser and go to MecSoft.com. From the MecSoft.com homepage, go up in the top right corner and select the login button. On this page, you want to select customer login if you're a MecSoft customer, or partner login if you're a MecSoft partner. Typically, if you're on AMS and you're looking for your AMS training materials, you're likely a customer. So you will select customer login button. On this page, you need to log in to what we refer to as Visual Serve. This is your MecSoft customer portal. When you purchase a product from MecSoft, you will be sent an email with your activation code, and in that email you will receive your username and your password to log into Visual Serve. So let's go ahead and log into Visual Serve, and you need to make sure you select the checkbox for I'm not a robot. Check that and then select login. Now this next page is the welcome page for Visual Serve. This is your MecSoft customer portal. You can do a lot of things from your MecSoft portal, and one of the things we're going to do is locate on the very first page, account information. There's the CAMJam download link. There's other things you can do. You can access the premium forms, user forms. These are AMS forms that you can collaborate with other users with. But for CAMJam download, we're going to select the CAMJam download button, and you'll see the download start at the bottom of your page. Depending on your browser, the download progress may be at the top, right corner of your browser. So look for the download. When it's done downloading, you want to open the download folder. You will see a file called MecSoft CAMJam zip. This is a compressed zip file, so you need to open it. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy it to another location. So we're going to copy it here to a separate folder by itself, and then we're going to right click, and then we're going to extract the files in the zip file. Okay, so you'll see you got a number of files. The main document that you want to open in order to access your videos is the MecSoft CAMJam PDF document. So let's open that. And this will load the CAMJam PDF guide. Now this is a 150-page guide to all the videos in the CAMJam archive. And to watch a video, simply locate a video you can locate it in the table of contents. You can use the index at the end to locate materials. But once you locate a document that you want to watch, for example, here's one must-watch bonus videos. So we got a video here using selections in machining. So here's the link to the video itself. And then also here's another page. The videos are listed here at the top, but also there's in-video topic links. So if you're looking for to learn a specific task, you can select from these document links, and it'll take you directly to the video at that location.